Yes na ngayon. Nandito lang kami. And then, andito po kami nag-
Kabati! I'm the cameraman!
Hapati. This is my melon.
Melon.
Ito nga sila oh. And this is my
Abermelon.
pake. And this is my
Wait for me! Melon!
this is my Chucky.
Wait for me! Melon! Where's the Abermelon? Let's see the Abermelon. Melon. Mainit ang araw.
Your pocket.
Where's the melon? This is a wonderful day. Brianna, where's the melon? Where's this? Where's the melon? Oh, there's the melon. Can you see the melon? Melon. Wag daw hawakan. And here's the other melon. Can you see them? Or not? Okay, we're going back. Cool. Look, look. Is it cool, right?
Ay, umalis si Marco at pumunta sa malayo. Wala talaga yan. Kaya pala'y nawala.
Okay. Stupid. Brianna, there's a lot of melons here. Some are just, don't know. Brianna, tara, maghanap tayo doon ng pakwan. Dito, Brianna. Sige, dyan ka. Naghahanap ako dito. Sige, ako mag-isa. Pag ako na lang. Pag gusto mo. Pag ayaw mo. Dang it, bro. Brianna, gusto mong sumama? Gusto mong sumama? Sige. Guys, there's a lot of melon seeds in here, and some are just little. You can see them, but if you can get the location, you can see them. Okay, let's go back. Guys, there's a lot of melons here, and if you want some, I don't know what you're gonna do. Maybe get a comment. You can do that. just not, or like and subscribe. And if you don't want to like and subscribe, it's okay. It's okay that even you don't like and subscribe, I can still get them. If like that. Have a great time, guys. And let's go back. Let's run! We're back!
Ay, naman tubig.
Kaya nga, wala nga sa isang araw. Wala ka din naman.
Goodbye, guys.